Honda Yaris versus Toyota Yaris Cross, which is better? Most people get this wrong by comparing only price or looks. The surprising truth is that each car excels in different areas, so the right choice depends on your priorities. The Honda Yaris is sportier, with a turbocharged engine producing more horsepower. It offers higher ground clearance, more cargo space, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise and lane keeping assist. You won't believe how roomy the back seats are for a compact SUV. The Toyota Yaris Cross, on the other hand, focuses on efficiency and urban convenience. It has a smaller engine, better fuel economy, and nimble handling for tight city streets. Hybrid options reduce running costs further, and Toyota's reliability is a strong selling point. In conclusion, choose the Honda Yaris if you prioritize sportance, space, and versatility. Opt for the Toyota Yaris Cross if efficiency, low running costs, and city-friendly design matter more. Both are solid choices, but your lifestyle dictates the best fit.